Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Letting out the dogs in the dog park. Yay! There they go. That's why I clean out the pens. There you go. All the dogs are going in the dog park. Hey! So, this is Rich Bowers. We got, while I'm cleaning out the pens, there's Crypto running around with, who is that? That's Fruit Punch. Yay! Then we have Violet with Sunflower and running around. Sunflower's the one with the green collar, and Fruit Punch is the one with the other collar. They're all going to go in and out of the pens. I'll show you the pens later after I clean them up. But they are filthy. Yay! Come on, guys. Hey, Charlotte, come here, baby. Here they are. Here they are. Here they come. Whoa! There's Charlotte. There's Coca-Cola. Look how big Coca-Cola got, huh? Check out my other videos when she was a puppy. There they are, running around. See, this is how they get socialized. They get socialized. They run around. They love each other up. I want everybody to be friendly. Right, guys? Look at them running around. I love it. I know, I love you, baby. That was Fruit Punch. Coca-Cola is a kid. She's still a kid. Hey, stop it. That's Molly. That's Rosie's daughter. So here we are, looking at the dogs. Hey, Coca-Cola. So here we are, running around. I'll show you guys the pens later after I clean them out, but here we are, looking good. Everybody's looking good. Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs giving you another perspective of what the doggies do throughout the day. We love them. Rich Bowers, Crypto's back. Signing off, and God bless.